light showers. Mind you, there has been quite a lot of cloud around, as you can see, but during the course of the day that cloud has become thinner and more broken, and that I think is a hopeful sign as far as the rest of the weekend is concerned. Some good breaks, in fact, at the moment. Looking across the continent, there are some pretty good breaks across the more central and southern areas, but there's a fair amount of cloud in the north. That's yesterday's heavy rain that we had. It's moved across into Berlin, for instance. Over the weekend, it's that eastern part of Europe where the weather will be unsettled. In the west and in the Mediterranean, it's a fine and fairly sunny picture. Coming back closer to home, we have high pressure now homing in on the scene, the low pressure having moved onto the continent, and it's that high that'll be around for the next couple of days. Nevertheless, there are some showers. They're mostly across the northern part of Scotland at the moment, just the little hatched areas there. They're light, fairly fleeting, not really even wetting the ground, I would think, in most places. And there are one or two further south as well, but there'll be some late sunshine, I think, in many parts of the country. And then during the course of the rest of the night, much of that cloud moves away or continues to break. Still one or two perhaps showers coming in close to those easternmost coasts. But with well-broken cloud, it is going to be a fairly chilly night, down to about 6, 7, 8 degrees in many places. Could even be a touch of ground frost in some of the highlands of Scotland. There's the high pressure with us for tomorrow. Still a stiff old breeze, though, down that eastern coast, but I think for most places it should be brighter than today, more in the way of sunshine, less in the way of cloud. There will still be a fair amount of cloud around, and I think you'll find some showers across the northeast of Scotland, one or two running down that eastern coast of England as well, but most of them tending to die away as the day wears on. And it is along that eastern coast of England where there will be quite a stiff breeze, more particularly offshore. So if you're going across on those North Sea crossings, they're going to be a little bit on the choppy side. But if you get out of that wind and in the sun, a reasonably warm day to come, I think, particularly so nicest along the south coast there. By Sunday, again, the thinning process of the cloud continues, so more in the way of